Well, hello everybody. In today's home hint, I want to talk about sewer line. Cammering a sewer line is pretty important, in my opinion, because I've seen lots of problems. And I often get asked by people, well, is it really necessary? This house is only so old, and when is it necessary? So I was just thinking about that now during my home inspection today. I'm in an older home built in the 50s or maybe early 60s, and I think it's a no-brainer on that age of house, but on newer homes, people think it's not necessary, and sometimes I'll do a sewer scope. In my case, I charge $100 extra, so it's not really a big investment, but it could save you a lot of money. Oftentimes I find problems in the sewer lines. It's just as simple as that, and it doesn't matter how old the house is. It depends on who put it in. It depends on whether it was a Monday or a Friday. You know how it is. It also depends on how the homeowner used the sewer line. So maybe they dump a lot of grease down there or that sort of thing. So I just want to show you here. Here's a hint. If you're buying a home and you want to know if there's ever been any sewer line issues, this is a pretty good indication that there probably was. So you can see here that the venting on this age house has copper. So they've changed the copper and they put a clean out in. Well, a plumber did that because they had to get into the sewer line somehow, and they probably had an old steel cap or a brass cap they couldn't get off, so they just cut the pipe, put the piece of ABS in there and put a clean out. So that tells me that there's been an issue here in the past. They did the same thing on the line that comes from the kitchen sink, which is almost always a problem area, by the way, on the older homes. Not a very big line, and there's a lot of grease and scum that goes down that line, and it plugs off. So in order to clean it, sometimes you have to get it clean out there. Sometimes you even have to jackhammer the floor out and change it, because it's a pretty nasty line. It's worse actually than the sewer line for the toilets. So that's what I'll be doing here today. I'm going to open up this. I've loosened it off, so I'm going to put my camera down in here and have a look and see what the line looks like between the house and the street. If you're getting a home inspection, ask about the sewer scope for any age of house.